Well, isn't $32 billion enough? You know, $32 billion is a lot of money. And if you're going to spend it, what are you going to spend it on, and isn't that enough?
I was quoted as saying that I was in favor of raising revenue. And members, I am. I think we should raise about $32 billion of revenue.
Isn't $32 billion enough?
We should trust our local officials, our mayors and our city councils, to not raise taxes, but to fund their priorities within their means, like we all must do.
We're going to fund our priorities within our means.
Live within your means.
Well, I think that if you look forward, we're going to be talking about funding our priorities within our means.
Now's the time to live within our means.
Minnesotans want us to find a way to get state government to live within its means.
We're going to live within our means.
The message was, government is spending beyond the means of the people.
I'm telling my local government that they need to live within their means.
When we're going from a $30 billion budget to a $32 billion budget, we need to prioritize within those means that we have.
This will finally stop the train and do what the people of Minnesota sent us here to do, to bring government to live within its means.
Is there going to be any revenue anywhere, whether it be a casino or anything at all?
We think that revenue for the state of Minnesota is best generated by the hard-working businesswomen and men of our great state.
Well, but Rachel, though, instead of taxes, revenue, there's gambling, there's fees, there's other ways. Are you saying that's off the table, too?
No, right now we're working on the $32 billion number. We're saying we've got $32 billion. We think that's a large amount of money. We want to prioritize it. We want to do some reforms. And then, so that's the part, our discussion right now.